What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Erin Yvette, and today's video is sponsored by JajaHair. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I installed this super gorgeous natural unit sponsored by an Amazon vendor, y'all. I think this wig is about $100, so I definitely had to share how I installed this beauty, and I'm going to leave all the details in the description box as well as a coupon code for you guys to save some coins. Thanks so much for checking out this video, and I will see you guys in my next upload. So guys, I like to start off by braiding down my hair for my wigs. If you can't tell, my hair is super thick and I don't normally brush my hair through, so this was a first for me. But in order to get super flat braids and a flat foundation for my wigs, I like to go in with multiple braids. The thicker and longer my hair gets, the more braids I'm having to do, and it's just so tiresome. So really quick details about this unit. I received their straight Brazilian 18-inch lace front unit. Again, this is an Amazon vendor. I'm not quite sure if they have their own personal website, but I would highly suggest purchasing off of Amazon just because of their credibility. Also, they have the Prime feature in case you need your bundles super quick overnighted, sis. I just love purchasing off of Amazon. But of course, I'll leave all of the discount codes and links in the description box, as well as a direct link to the exact unit that I'll be wearing today. But anyway, this is JajaHair. I don't know how to say that, y'all, so excuse me. But this is just what it looks like. I don't know. Let's just put it on. I wish that I would have went in. The knots are a little bit dark, but it is pre-plucked, I think, slightly. I'm actually gonna cut the lace, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sew my elastic band. I like to sew them onto my wig so that I don't have to go with the glue, and I'll be right back so we can slide her on. So these caps were sent over by JajaWig. I'm gonna throw one of these on top of this one. So I'm putting 2 caps on. This is going to compress my braids, even though they're pretty tight today. It's gonna compress my braids, and it's gonna give me a nice clean foundation. So I'm gonna go in a little bit on the lace itself, but also on my wig cap with my normal makeup that I like to use. The only thing I will say about this is that after a couple days it kind of looks a little orange. So I don't know, I'm trying to find a new way to tint my lace. If you guys have any suggestions. So I've sewn on my elastic band. I'm gonna try to go ahead and throw this wig on. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my hot comb. Alright y'all, so this is the hair. It looks really, really good for some Amazon hair. I'm really impressed. The only thing I will say, I feel like I should have washed this hair before I installed it. I don't know, it has a little bit of weight to it, and I'm hoping that it goes away with the wash, but that's causing it to kind of clump, especially here in the front. You guys can see where it's like oiled down, and I haven't really put anything on this hair yet. So, I don't know. I even went in with a blow dryer to see if that would help a little bit, and it kind of did, but it's still a lot way down. This is the hair. So I'm just taking this Flyaway Tamer. I actually got this from my first wig, but you can purchase this wax type product off of Amazon as well. And I will try to link it in the description box, so it just comes like a stick. And then if you guys can see my little flyaways here, I'm just going to tame that with this wax stick. And I'm also gonna put this in the front here. Cause I like to mold my hair in the front of. Yeah, this hair looks really good. It looks really natural, and it looks really, really good. So for some Amazon hair, this is really good.